Hello and welcome to Prudent News. First, a look at the headlines. With just 48 hours left for general body meeting of Goa's premier dairy, registrar of cooperative societies transferred, farmers to grill dairy management. Vasco JMFC court extends police remand of terror suspect Samir Sardana by 4 more days. Samir in custody of Vasco Railway Police. State level committee on regional plan yet to be formed even after 3 weeks of receiving public inputs on the plan. File pending with CM for more than a week. BJP finalizes its first lot of candidates for CCP poll. Congress to release its final list of candidates on Wednesday. Madkekar says Babush and BJP together. And Goa face Gujarat in Santosh Trophy zonal opener on Tuesday. Host will take every team seriously, says coach Alfred Fernandez. And now the news in detail. With just 48 hours left for general body meeting to decide the fate of Goa's premier dairy, the farmers are all set to grill the management over its mismanaged affairs and alleged corruption. No vision to improve its performance and profits has forced several farmers to quit the business. Farmers are being supplied substandard cattle feed. Animals are falling sick, leading to low milk yield. In last 3 years, Goa Dairy has faced loss of more than 6 crores on the cattle feed. Prudent Probe reveals more shocking facts. Goa Dairy going from the bad to the worst. With Sumul set to enter Goa's local milk production market, the unprofessional and shoddy state of affairs may turn a doom for Goa's premier dairy. Firstly, the functioning of new cattle feed plant has been in question. New cattle feed plant was recently handed over to Goa Dairy by Goa government. The fully automized plant was expected to bring down the cost of production and maintain good feed quality. Still, the recruitment in the cattle feed plant continues, leading to huge overheads and losses. The substandard feed quality has instead added to the woes of the farmers. Till the year 2007, cattle feed plant was running on no profit, no loss basis. Hence, the financial loss at the cattle feed plant was at minimum. In one of the years, it even performed to earning a profit of 5,000 rupees. But since 2007, the elected board started purchasing raw material and per year loss began to shoot up. It has now the figures of crores. Look at the loss figures. In year 2012-13, loss is around 3 crore 77 lakh rupees. 2013-14, 1 crore 66 lakh rupees of loss. 2014-15, loss of 1 crore 57 lakhs. So the total loss from 2012 to 2015 is more than 6 crore on cattle feed. Recently, the substandard quality feed of Goa Dairy was in news as the dairy animals were falling ill. Investigation by Goa Dairy revealed that it is due to substandard raw material used in the feed. Prudent contacted the farmers for an insight.
गोवा डेरीचे खाण करता तू
ना
गोवा डेरीचे कित्याक घालना
ते खूब प्रॉब्लेम येता खावडीक ते म्हणजे एकदां लूज मोशन जाता गायांक केन्ना दुयेंस पडटा आनी कितें चालूच आसता ते ती चालू आसतना गोरवांक हांव कितें करतालो 15 दिसांनी आमकां दोतोर हाडचो पडटालो कित्याक गोरवां एक तर गाब धरना पयलीं सारकें आनी दुसरें म्हणल्यार गोरवां सदां तशीं केन्नाच दिसची ना तुका ती खावड घातल्यार म्हणजे
Fed up with the mismanagement and the state of affairs at Goa dairies, most of the farmers are now buying cattle feed from the open market. Farmers complain of garbage like stuff of plastic, stones and iron and send in the cattle feed supplied by the Goa dairy.
कुट्टी जब होता है उसमें मट्टी रहता है, इतना डगर रहता है, तो मान लीजिए वो जाएगा पेट में तो उससे हानिकारक ही होगा ना। रवत नहीं ले पाती है भैंसें, मतलब तरह तरह का परेशानी रहता है भैंसों को। एक पोता में 20 किलो मिट्टी जाती है, 20 किलो मिट्टी।
खावड म्हटल्यार साप खावडीक पयशे इतले घालून जोडून जोडून थिंगाच घालचे पडटा आनी वयल्यान रीण काडचे पडटा गोरवांक फीड करपाक लागून. कांयच फायदो ना इतले करून सुद्दां.
गोवा डेरीचें घालता, म्हाजे खुद हाडून घालता, पूण गोवा डेरीचें साप बरें हावण येना आनी ते सगळें पावडराचें. आनी दुसरें म्हणल्यार आमच्या गोरवांचें कशें आहा, गोरवां आमी घेता ती सगळींच गोरवां तेंचे पॅलेट खायना, आमी भायलें हावड घालता तेंकां. आतां हावड जाल्यार कशी 1300 रुपयांनी साक जाला, ते आमकां कोंताक येना.
The cattle feed plant, running in profits almost a decade back, is now turning a loss-making venture worth crores, gaining new heights of losses every year. While the new entrant Sumul assures a complete professional management, services and profit-making dairy business for the local dairy farmers, the farmers are in no mood to experiment with the Goa dairy. The Aam Sabha on Wednesday is set to say it all if the management is not ready to learn the lessons.
Meanwhile, just before few hours, Registrar of Cooperative Societies Narayan Sawant has been transferred to Vigilance Department. Now the additional charge is given to Meena Goltekar.
Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Chetan Gavas for Prudent. Vasco JMFC Court has extended police remand of terror suspect Samir Sardana by 4 more days. Samir is in custody of Vasco Railway Police, but Goa ATS is interrogating him. Goa ATS has informed the court that lot of suspicious data has been found in Samir's laptop, pen drive and CD, but further investigation is required to establish the motive of Samir behind procuring it.
Samir Sardana was produced before Vasco JMFC on Monday after completion of 7 days police remand. Goa ATS has informed the court that a lot of sensitive and suspicious data has been recovered from Samir Sardana's personal electronic devices. But so far his motive behind storing such data is not clear. Accepting prosecution's request, the court extended Samir's police custody till Thursday. Samir Sardana conveyed to court that he is unable to hire a personal advocate and pleaded to appoint a counsel for him from Legal Aid Service. Court has accepted Sardana's plea. While speaking to media, Samir Sardana said police has not allowed him to talk to his father, who is ill. He claims torture by the interrogators in the police custody.
I cannot get to talk to my father. I have a right to speak to him for the last 3 days. That's why I feel as well. Continuing, my father is a very old man, he has cancer. And I need to leave. And I see that I'm very also the situation with my father. So I need to go to the treatment. And the police have to leave. So there are 7 days they found it. So is it possible for me to go and they can use my passport with them as a to my talk to my father, or I can go to their counterpart in that is this officer. Yes, because I am there near my father. Right? So the person is having physically tortured, which is a very violation of the law, and I am just a suspect, and they have no proof at all. I have been tortured in the room of an IPS officer.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar with Dishan Parab for Prudent.
Government is unable to finalize the state-level committee for regional plan even after 3 weeks of receiving suggestions and objections on the plan. Committee formation has hit the roadblock just because of delay in appointment of 2 members. Committee requires 2 members who are not a part of the government. Search for these 2 members is on. Remaining members are ex officio government officers.
Government has to appoint a state-level committee for further deliberation of suggestions and objections received on the regional plan. This committee comprises of 8 members. It gives the final decision after considering all inputs from public on the regional plan. Even formation of the draft plan involves major role of this committee, but government is unable to appoint the committee till now. State-level committee comprises of Chief Minister as President, Urban Development Minister as Vice President, Secretary TCP, Panchayat Director, Director of Municipal Administration as members, 2 government appointed members, and Chief Town Planner TCP as convener. The appointment of this committee is stuck as the 2 members are yet to be appointed by the government. The member have to be engineers, architects or civil engineers. When we asked Urban Development Minister Francis D'Souza, he gave vague reply.
फॉर्म जावना कारण ती कमिटी फाईल रेडी करून आणि सीएम आयज येवपाचो आहा सीएम आयजच गेला शुक्रारच्यान
दादी चल्ली
हय जाणा तेजे पयलीं हांव 2-3 दीस घेवपाक गेल्लो हांव येयला आनी तो भायर सरलो
आनी प्रोफेशनल की दोग जाण घेवपाचा कोण ते कितें खबर आसा
फाल्यां गावतले सीएम कडेन फायल येतली पळय तेन्ना तेन्ना भायर सरतलें ना.
Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
Time for a short break. Stay tuned.